Just as the president was trying to prosecute a solution, the deputy tries to scuttle it because his is a confrontation that he is inviting. There are two options. I was there when you were being selected, not elected, as deputy president. You were selected on the basis that the mountain had agreed to vote for William Ruto. You were selected because it was an appreciation that we needed a candidate from the Mount Kenya region. It could have been Kithure Kindiki. It could have been Kimani Ichung'wah. It could have been Ndindi Nyoro. It could have been Mama Alice. It could have been anybody. The outcome will be the same, will have been the same. We went there to vote for William Ruto, for you to assist him. We didn't elect you as a co-president. Learn the Constitution. You are the principal assistant to the president. You are not a co-president. If you start to undermine the presidency, we shall also stop to respect the office of the deputy president, not as an office, but as a person. And therefore, we're asking you for one issue. You are selected. And I repeat it, you were selected. I was there when you were being selected. The decision to select you over Kindiki changed in a couple of hours, about 12 hours. It could have been Kindiki as deputy president. It's in public domain. Not on competence. Yeah. So therefore, we're asking you, and you are now casting aspersions on the decisions of the president to select Nurdin Haji, or to appoint Nurdin Haji as Director General of the NIS. Yet, the same president took it in his wisdom to appoint you or to select you as deputy president. And therefore, if you feel uncomfortable, if you feel there are votes you brought on board, as the rest of the speakers have said, exit the scene. Go and prepare yourself for a contest in 2027, and let us see which Kenya will elect a tribal bigot as president. Thank you.